Hello everyone. If you're a new Amazon merch seller or someone who can't get out of Tier 10, there are a few strategies you can use to increase your chances of success. In this guide, we'll cover some tips for tiering up so you can start making a profit selling shirts on Amazon in no time. Tip number 1. Buy your own shirts. Buying your own shirts is the fastest and easiest way to get out of Tier 10. At $13.38, this will cost you $133.80. Although this is an upfront cost, it is an investment towards your business. You will make the money back in the future, but at this time it is more important to tier up in order to have more slots to have the opportunity to sell more shirts. Find creative ways to resell the shirts to someone you know already or online. One example is making shirts for a sports team or a family. Number 2. Low competition research. To sell shirts faster and move up from Tier 10, you should focus on low competition niches that have less than 1,000 results. One way to do this is by combining trends or cross-niching. Here you can see that there are over 40,000 results for Christmas shirts, but when you combine Christmas with ramen, the results narrow down to 141. There are several free research websites you can use, such as Merch Research and DS Amazon Quick View. Check out my video about one single method for finding niches with these tools. Google Trends is another option for free research tools. You can also use Pretty Merch and Productor for sales analytics. Tip number 3. Price low. If you don't purchase your own shirts, price them as low as possible to get an edge with pricing over your competition. Again, the goal at Tier 10 is to make sales and rank in the Amazon catalog for future sales opportunities. I wouldn't worry about profit until Tier 100 or higher. Remember to think long-term, as profitability will come later. Number 4. Design. Use premium graphics to stand out from the competition. These are some websites and apps where you can find graphics, some which are free or have free components. These are some font websites where you can get free, commercial-free fonts. Pay attention to the typography and make sure the font is legible and appropriate for the shirt's design and subject matter. Black shirts have accounted for about 60% of my total sales, followed by navy blue at 8.6%, so consider designing for darker fabrics. Additionally, scale your graphics to where they take up a large portion of the shirt. Larger graphics tend to sell better, and one reason is because they are more visible to customers in the thumbnail views on mobile and desktop. And tip number 5, test and go all in. Once you get your first sale, go all in and focus on that niche. The design sold, so it is a proven seller. Design similar shirts or ones based on that same niche. Try to understand why it sold and whether it is a trend, holiday, or an evergreen that happened to sell. This strategy works at all tier levels because sales can always give you more information you can use to sell more shirts in the future. Although the easiest and fastest way to move up from Tier 10 is to purchase your shirts, there are many tools and methods that can help you get those sales organically. Researching low competition niches, pricing strategically, and designing effectively are among the most important. If you have your sales and are waiting to tier up, continue researching and designing so you have ready to upload designs when you advance. Keep testing and refining your strategies to achieve even greater success going forward. Let me know if you have any questions or tips for someone who is in Tier 10. Thank you for watching.